A number of years ago, I was involved in a motor vehicle accident in which my motorcycle had been run off the road by a mysterious driver that was a non-contact hit and run. I went to the emergency room and they treated and released me within a few hours. There's unfortunately not a lot medically that can be done for a broken collarbone. I felt pretty alone and I felt fairly helpless at the time. And I thought, especially since there were no other witnesses to this and it was sort of my testimony against anyone else's really, but there were no independent witnesses involved. There was no trace of the other vehicle that had swerved. I mean, I couldn't even get a license plate number. It happened so instantaneously. The police followed up. They tried to be able to get a lead to follow on that. And I mean, there was nothing. After that, while I was healing is when I contacted Dan to assist me. After Dan got involved, he was able to do two things for me. Firstly, there was a work claim that he was able to address for me. And secondly, there was the personal injury portion of the case in which he was able to get me a claim from my insurance company under the underinsured or uninsured motorist. Dan is a very no-nonsense guy, and when he comes in, he takes care of business, and he gives you a very reassuring feeling that Dan was sort of a lighthouse in the port there for me, so that when it came time, I knew that everything was going to work out, and he was very confident in telling me that he was going to be able to help me. He's been there and he's done it, and he's going to make sure day or night he's going to take care of you. You know, compared to other attorneys in my experiences that are very apathetic or not very aggressive, Dan is very aggressive. He's sort of a pit bull. When it's time to take care of things, he takes care of everything that needs to get taken care of, and he's good at returning phone calls, and he lets you know that once he's on a case, he takes care of it, and he takes a great deal of personal interest in it from the beginning, not only till the end and the conclusion, but then afterwards and follow-up. There's a tremendous value in personal injury attorneys like Dan, because he's not interested in so much the bottom line, and he's not interested in seeking punitive justice against insurance companies or against individuals. He's genuinely interested and cares for his clients and is willing to do everything to be reassuring throughout the entire process. And that's why when I have friends who are in need of an attorney, I give out his card.